This video shows how I use some of the sort options in the Canvas gradebook to make a bit more efficient the entry of grades for assignment submissions I collect via Google Forms. In our college, the students are all using a Google account. We are a Google Suite for Education clients. We use single sign-on, and the student ID number that they use to sign on to Canvas is also part of the Google email address. I like using Google Forms for this particular assignment because it allows me to give students a choice in terms of how they want to complete the assignments. And then for one of those choices, it allows me to limit the number of characters that students can type inside the form field in Google. Neither one of these options is present inside Canvas. But when the students submit the assignment, of course, they're typing their name. I'm not collecting that automatically. The only thing I am collecting is their email address, which again includes their student ID number. So on the form sheet where the form responses are collected, I'm not sure exactly whether those names are correct. And also, if I tried to sort the forms by the name field, it would likely be the first name that the students have typed. Sorting by first name is not an option I have inside the Canvas gradebook. But what I can do is when I select the Adkins menu for the student name column, one of the options for secondary info is to display the SIS ID. That's what we have in our case. And then selecting that same menu, I can sort by SIS ID. And back over in Google Forms, on the Google Sheet rather, I can sort the results by email address. Because the SIS ID or the student username is part of the email address, now I have two columns that are in the same sort order, which will make a grade data entry a little bit easier.